We touch the future. It's the understanding that every piece has purpose. That progress doesn't happen by accident, but through the dedication of each team member. It's in the daily work, the shared commitment, and the pride of building something greater than ourselves. At AMI, we manufacture a wide range of automotive components for some of the most respected names in the industry: Toyota, GMC, Chevrolet, Lexus, Subaru and Mercedes. From sunroofs to center pillar garnishes, adaptive aerodynamics and smart door handles, nearly 50,000 parts are made and shipped from our facility each day. Our components travel to plants across the US, Mexico, and Canada, but their impact reaches even further. We touch the future, not only through the products we build, but through the people who build them, shaping careers, strengthening families, and supporting our local community. We are AISIN Manufacturing, Illinois. Let's build the future together.